Hi everyone, warm welcome back. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to save the seeds of the Lagos spinach or the Nigerian spinach or Efo Shoko. The Lagos spinach, which is also known as the Nigerian spinach, is a type of Celosia. It is culturally meaningful for many tribes across Central and West Africa. We have it in Cameroon, and many parts of Nigeria, Benin and Congo also have this vegetable. Indonesia and India also have the Celosia. Celosia is eaten in soups and stews and many side dishes. The Lagos spinach can be all green or it can be colorful. I had both types growing in my garden, but I saved the green one for seeds. The Lagos spinach is a member of the amaranth family and it is believed to be a native of Africa. The reason why I really want to propagate this Lagos spinach more is because it is so easy to grow and it attracts very little pests and thrives in the heat. Even though at the end of the season I had some kind of pests attacking the Lagos spinach, so I thought I should just go ahead and collect the seeds. So the Lagos spinach makes very beautiful flowers, as you can see, and the seeds are not inside any fruit, so it doesn't produce any fruits. The seeds are kind of exposed, so if you do not collect the seeds on time, it is just going to fall off. That's how my Lagos spinach is looking right now. It has a bunch of flowers, but it's about it's October the 8th, so fall is definitely here and it's not looking good. It's been attacked by some insects and it's turning this funny color, but I'm going to harvest the flowers for seed saving. This is how you tell if the seeds are ready. The seeds are ready when they start dropping from the seed head, which matures after the flower dies back. To harvest the flowers or the mature seed head is very easy. You can use a pair of scissors like I am, shears or any pruners, and then just cut the whole seed head. This is what I was able to harvest. I'm just going to take the flowers inside now and let them dry, and the seeds should easily be collected. You can see these are the seeds. These are the seeds. They are very tiny. They should be in here. Yeah. I am gonna just save the entire flower head in a cool, dry, well ventilated place to further dry and mature, and then I am going to shake the seeds out and use a strainer to sift out the larger chaff or just winnow it. So yeah guys, that's how you collect the seeds of the Lagos spinach or Efo Shoko. I hope this video added some value to you. Kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and also help me share the video. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Until next time, grow a garden and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.